Hi guys, I just got back home from an event. I'm so tired. I just want to get out of all of this. So let's get unready with me. Okay, I have changed and now we remove off the makeup. First and foremost, I gotta take off these contact lenses. Okay, next I'm gonna take off the falsies. I always feel like macam, oh my god, sayangnya. But you know, I'm already home and this one I need to have to pick up my daughter lagi, so we're gonna wash this all off. Since I am wearing heavy makeup today, I always do double cleansing, and one of the best ways to remove makeup is by using a cleansing balm. Cleansing balms are very effective at removing all of those waterproof makeup and glitter speckles on your face. It's just very effective, so that's why one of my favorite ways to remove makeup, especially when I'm wearing full-on makeup, is by using cleansing balm. And the one that I have been loving to use lately is this one from Aiken. It's the Aiken's cleansing balm with ceramide. It's like an ice cream-like texture, so it applies and spreads on your face so effortlessly. I'll remove half of my face and you'll see the difference that it makes. Use it on dry skin and let it melt all of that makeup off. Once everything is melted off, you just wash it off with water. Look at how it completely removes all of my makeup. Like really, this is heavy makeup and it has completely removed all of it. And it doesn't sting my eye and it doesn't even make my vision cloudy. So easy, so effortless, and it doesn't strip away the moisture from my skin as well. Best sangat because it removes the makeup so easily. Even my waterproof mascara, eyeliner, eyeshadow, everything just came off, and it didn't even take me too much time. It has ceramide, vitamin C, and also niacinamide, so not only is it able to remove your makeup so easily, it also helps to brighten your complexion as well. This is my face after removing all of the makeup. No panda eyes whatsoever. And I used my most waterproof mascara, okay? You guys will be amazed when you use this. And you will be more amazed when you find out that this is actually just 25 ringgit. I always double cleanse, so I'm gonna wash my face with cleanser as well. So done with cleanser, now time to reapply all of my skincare. Alright, so after cleanser, we're gonna put some toner. Just pat. How rajin are you guys to reapply all of your skincare? I wasn't rajin before, but now that Huda is at school, I have a bit more time. I got a little bit more rajin now lah than before. So I'm gonna use the serum. My skin has always been dry, so I'm really dedicated to making sure my skin gets all the hydration that it needs. I usually, especially for daytime, I usually prefer gel moisturizer, and a very good and affordable gel moisturizer is this Aiken Prebiotic Moisturizer. This gel moisturizer has a very lightweight consistently. It almost feels like water. It even looks like water, so it's like giving your dehydrated skin a drink of water. And I love the fact that although my skin is dry, it is hydrating enough to moisturize my skin without the stickiness or the heaviness at all. On the packaging itself, it even says that it gives 200% moisture boost. And if you look closely, niacinamide is the second ingredient listed in here. So not only is my skin moisturized, it also gives a brightening effect as well. My skin is already so clean, soft, and supple. Last and definitely not least, we cannot forget sunscreen. This is the Aiken Prebiotic Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 PA+++. They say if you're not sure how much sunscreen to use, just use 2 whole fingers, okay? You gotta put enough sunscreen for you to get enough protection. See, there, I blended out in less than a minute and no white cast at all. My face just looks nice, glowy, and healthy. This sunscreen also has niacinamide, and as you can see, no white cast at all. It doesn't feel too sticky or greasy, so if you're into lightweight kind of sunscreen, this is it. Oh, and one more thing, this sunscreen is water resistant, so if you have outdoor activities that you know that you're gonna sweat, nak pergi swimming ke apa, this is the one for you. Tapi honestly, pakai hari-hari pun okay je because it's lightweight. And what's best about all of these Aiken products that I use today is that they are all very affordable. And so this is my skin after I done remove all of my makeup, dah put on sunscreen. Look how glowy my skin looks. I mean, it's not perfect. Of course, I have like blemishes here and there, but you can see the glow even after I remove all of my makeup. And this is why this routine works for me. So thank you for getting unready with me. If you have dry or sensitive skin or you are new to Aiken, I would highly suggest for you to check them out. I cannot recommend that enough because for the price point, you get amazing skin benefit and I have been enjoying using them. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I did not have high expectations, but Aiken products have impressed me again and again, and I just can't recommend them enough. Basically, I will list down all of the products that I use today and I will link them down below in the description box so you guys can check them out for yourself. Go ahead and give it a try and I bet you will understand what I mean. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this has been helpful for you guys in some way. If you haven't subscribed already, click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye-bye.